To crochet the Christmas ornament, grab your either green color or red color yarn. Okay, and to begin, make a magic circle, and into the magic circle place chain 2 and 10 double crochet into the magic circle. Here I have already placed 10 double crochet. Pull the yarn in to close the magic circle and place a slip stitch into the very first double crochet stitch. For row 2, make chain 2 and place 2 double crochet into the space between 2 double crochet. So we are not going to work into the stitches here. We are not going to work into the stitches. We are going to place the stitches into the space between 2 double crochet into these spaces. So into this space, this is our first space between the double crochet stitches. Place 2 double crochet into this space. Okay, and 2 double crochet into this next space. So keep on placing 2 double crochet into each and every space between the double crochet stitches, and I'll be meeting you in the end of this round. Here I am very close to the end of this round, and I am left with one last space in here, and I'm going to place 2 double crochet as usual. Place a slip stitch into the very first double crochet stitch. Now I'm going to make the grab stitch. So make a chain 1 and insert the hook into the same stitch. This way and pull up the loop. Yarn over, pull through both the 2 loops on your hook. Now I'm going to place this grab stitch into this stitch. So usually we work in anti-clockwise, but here the grab stitch is done in a clockwise. So slip your hook into the next stitch. Pull up the loop, yarn over, pull through both the loops on your hook. So this grab stitch is also known as the reverse single crochet because we are just placing single crochets into each stitch but in a reverse way. Slip your hook into the next stitch, pull up the loop, yarn over, go through both the loops. So keep repeating the pattern. So this is how the reverse single crochet, or also known as the grab stitch, looks like. It looks really very beautiful if you are doing it in the edge of your project, and I personally loved it a lot. So instead of a single crochet, placing single crochet in the edging, you just can crochet this grab stitch, and it's going to give a very good look to the edge. So keep on placing the grab stitch for 18 stitches. and leave 2 stitches onward. So once you have worked the stitch around the edge, and here I am left with 2 more stitches, so I'm just going to cut up my yarn. Now slip your hook into the next stitch from the back side and grab this yarn to the back, and later you can weave in the end to secure the stitch. Okay, so now we'll be working this with yellow yarn. Okay, so here into this open space between these 2 double crochet stitches we are going to work. Okay, so this and into this, so into this open space grab your yellow yarn and make chain 3. Place 1 more double crochet into the same space. Now into the next space, place 2 double crochet. Into the next space, place 2 double crochet. Now fasten off. Weave in all the ends. So hope you loved my crocheted Christmas ornament. So make for yourself and enjoy your Christmas. Till then, goodbye.